PPP stands for Paycheck Protection Program. And we just want to go back and say, well, what was the point? What was the whole point of the PPP? And the whole point was to help employees stay employed. I think when the CARES Act came out, they knew that businesses were going to need to be, well, with coronavirus, businesses were going to start shutting down. And the government said, hey, we need to keep people off unemployment as much as possible. So let's help out small businesses. Let's keep them running and let's go ahead and provide this funding. Now, I think it's good to keep that in mind because the SBA and the Treasury have given us tons of guidance after the original CARES Act. However, there's still some gaps, and sometimes we need to apply logic to specific situations. So I think it's always good to keep that in mind as we're going through your unique situation. Does this help employees stay employed? And I think that'll help us apply guidance a little bit better. And that's really been helping a lot of small businesses along the way. The other thing that I want to just remind everybody is that the whole funds are supposed to be used mostly for payroll costs. However, they do allow this ability to have certain other non-payroll costs. Now, we do this in a 60-40 split. You need to have at least 60% of the money spent on payroll costs, and that key term, at least, and then not more than 40% of the money to be spent on other non-payroll costs.